Hello everyone and welcome to this very simple sound effects video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. So the sound effect we're going to look at today is Cow Noise by Tats14 on Freesound.org, and I don't think it is an actual cow, but it is a very interesting sample for us to work with. So let's have a listen to it. Okay, now we will just import this sample in Audacity and we'll get started right there. Alright, let me import the sample itself. Now, I am actually only interested in the first part of this sound effect here. Now, with any sound from Freesound that I download, I always apply noise reduction. So to do that, we just select this part of the sample, go to Effect, then go to Noise Reduction, and there we click Get Noise Profile. So this is going to analyze the noise that is present in the sample, and then we have to apply it. So to apply it to everything, we double click on the WAV file and we go to Effect, and then we go to Noise Reduction again. And then instead of clicking Get Noise Profile, we click OK. Now I also don't need the beginning. So there we go. Cut out a bit of the end there. Select everything again and normalize it. And this is what that sounds like. So now it's time for some fun stuff. And we're going to start by applying some pitch shifting. To do that, we go to Effect and then find the option Change Pitch. And here I'm going to go minus 70% downward in pitch. So we click OK, and this is what that sounds like. So it sounds a bit more aggressive already, right? But for my liking, it is a bit too short. So let's go to Effect, change speed. In here we fill in 0.5. We want it to be twice as long, and then we hit OK. Very cool. Now I want to make it a bit more interesting. So what we're going to do is we're going to select everything again. And we go to Effect and Tremolo. And basically we're going to animate the volume of the sound a tiny bit. So here I selected the sine wave type and 30% wetness. And we're going to do this about 8 times per second. So what this is going to do is it's going to change the loudness of the sound 8 times per second. So let's do that. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make it a bit louder again. And the way we do that is we're going to apply a compressor to it. So we go to Effect and then select Compressor. Now these are the values that we're going to use with the compressor to make it a bit louder. These are values that I find pleasant to work with, so you can just copy them if you want to. For now, we'll just click OK. And immediately you can see that the sound is much louder. Pretty cool. And now we're going to do a bit of a trick. What we're going to do is we're going to actually reverse the sample. So we go to Effect and then Reverse. This is my personal taste. I just think that it sounds much better and more aggressive now and more like a creature or a monster. As for the sound effect is concerned, we're pretty much done now. And the only thing that we need to do still is normalize it a bit. So we select the entire waveform, we go to Effect, and then find Normalize. And click Okay. So this is basically the sound effect that we have created. Now you can tailor it to your personal needs a bit. You can say, I want it to go a bit faster, I want it to go a bit slower. And to do that, you just go to Effect, change speed. You can say, okay, well, I want it to be 1.3 times faster. So we try that. So that rounds it up pretty much for this sound effect. Of course, the link to this sound effect will be in the description below if you're interested in downloading it. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a like, a comment, and feel free to subscribe. I'll see you next time.